Okay, beta. Today we are going to start next topic, and next topic is dissolution without balance sheet. In this topic, balance sheet is not given by the questions. Okay, beta. We are going to maintain the first balance sheet, and then after we are going to solve the question. It means the balance sheet which is given in a question before this question, before this topic, that will not given. So we are going to start to make the balance sheet. First, before the making of balance sheet, first just keep this logic in your mind. Balance sheet, both sides equal. Balance sheet, both sides equal. Everyone will know. Both sides will equal always. If the liability side total is coming 20,000, so sure and certain asset side will 20,000. It means by the difference amount we are will make the difference here assets. Maybe that assets maybe we don't know, but total assets is 20,000. Okay, and if assets amount is given in the question, so sure and certain the liability side is equal of that. So we are just giving the difference. We are going to see the difference. What difference is coming? That is the liability. Maybe some capital is given here. Okay, means by the taking of logic of balance sheet, both sides will equal. We are going to maintain the balance sheet and knows about the assets or liabilities, which is not given in the question directly. Okay, beta. As like that, if the capital is given this side, 80,000. Okay, total capital. And this side one assets is stock given 20,000. So then we are going to make the balance sheet. 80,000 coming this side, then 80,000 coming this side, means 60,000 other assets. Okay, beta? Other assets are cash. This we are going to calculate. This we are going to calculate or find by the making of balance sheet. Okay, beta? By the making of balance sheet. Clear? Okay. Now, this logic is clear or not? In this system, balance sheet is not given in the question, so we are going to start making the balance sheet. Okay. First make the balance sheet, and by the making of that balance sheet, we will know about the assets or any other liabilities by the difference amount. And then we are going to start same way, going to start, and that way is what, beta? And that way we are going to transferring all assets on debit side or liability on credit side, and then payment of liabilities and sale of assets. So we are going to start solving one question. By that you can well understand on which process we are utilizing when balance sheet will not given. Okay, beta? Okay, Shruti beta, let's start reading the question.
A, B, and C are in partnership, sharing in 4:3:3. They decided to dissolve the partnership firm. At the date of dissolution, their creditors amounted to 16,800, and in the course of dissolution,
Creditor 16,800. We will learn about that. Creditor put on the liability side. So we are going to put. Okay, next.
in the course of dissolution, a contingent liability of 3,500 not brought into the accounts matured and had to be met.
Then next.
Their capital stood at 12,000, 10,000, and 8,000.
Capital 12,000, 10,000, and
8,000.
the total amount is 30,000. Okay, beta? 30,000. We are only putting all the things which is given for here for what? For making of balance sheet. Other information, beta?
had lent to the firm in addition to capital 13,200.
Additional capital beta amount
13,200.
13,200. Okay. Anything else? Next.
Assets realized
It's the
at
assets
40.
realized means this will utilize after the making of balance sheet when we are going to making the realization account. Okay, beta, because it's a realized value na, and realized value we are showing on where in realization account. Okay, so no other information is there. Now these all information we are getting for our balance sheet. Okay, additional capital, creditors. These are full, just filled. Okay, and no information about any assets. No information about any assets. But we will know total of this 60,000 is sure and certain. Asset side will 60,000. Okay, beta? Asset side will 60,000. It means one asset there by the balancing amount 60,000. Okay. Now this balance sheet will okay. Okay. Now this balance sheet is clear. By the making of balance sheet, we are putting all liability side, and by the balancing or by the equal of the both things, we are going to find out that assets and assets value is 60,000. Okay, this is the new. This is the new only. Another thing is same. What we are doing in the past, same we are going to do the other things. But this thing will new. Okay, we are going to make the balance sheet, and by the making of that balance sheet, we are going to find out the assets or liability which is not given in your questions. Okay, now we are going to start realization account. Let's see. Okay, take this is at this side. This side by credit 1,800. Okay, 16,800.
800.
Okay, now read more. What is the realized value?
Sir, 45. The assets realized at 45,670.
Buying cash 45,670. Okay, about the creditor, anything is given for the realized value?
Sir, at the date of dissolution, their creditors amounted to 16,800.
Okay, it means
And in the course of dissolution, a contingent liability of 3,500.
two cash 16,800 for capital and one liability 3,500.
500.
The total amount is okay. This asset will realize 47,670. That liability is realized 16,800. Equal same amount because nothing is given for his real value. And then one liability came. New liability is 13,000. Sorry, 3,500. Now going to totaling this. 80,300. 30. Answer will come better. 70.
Sir, 70,800.
₹17,830 beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are going to make the capital account. Just see how we are making the capital account. Say nothing new, but we are solving this question. Then now the all things is forward. Okay, beta. Let's see capital account. Three part is there.
Yes,
A, B and C. First, buying balance 12,000, 10,000 and 8,000.
Yes, sir.
Balance is 12, 10, 8 and then additional. B will be the 13,500.
Yes, sir. 13,200. B head length.
B is given. Okay. Now it's a loss. Loss will transfer this side, beta. 2 realization, just divide this loss in 4:3:3. 4, 3, 3. Tell me fast.
Sir, 7052. A का.
7052 5349 5349. Nothing else is given. We are going to balance. It's 8,000 here, 223, 2,000, 12,000 here, 12,000 beta, 23,200 and 8,000. 1, 5, 6, 2. Okay. 1, 5, 8, 7, 1. Okay, and this side 8, 4, 4. It's a 2 cash. Okay, beta. It's came.
No, sir. Sir, C का आ गया, A और B का नहीं आ रहा.
4,600 something.
The 4,868 of A and B 4,651.
It's a capital loss. 51 is came. No problem, beta. He is not. C is not coming, na. He is not showing that this capital. His capital is taking like a loan, but we are taking like a other capital. Okay, beta. Don't worry. No need. No problem about that. Okay. Clear? Now, after this, you are going to make the capital, cash account. Okay, beta. After this, you are going to make the cash account. Then the difference will clear. Okay, beta. You can able to make the cash account, na? Or not? I think very easy.
Yes, sir.
Take this cash and then this cash and these cash. Only change, why change is coming, beta? Because this 13,800 we are taking as a capital, but in the question this payment will done on the loan as a loan account. Okay, beta? So then cash book will clear by the loan. That loan will clear in the cash account. So it's not coming exactly what answer is given. Okay? So the difference is coming between the A. B and C is clear. Okay, beta? Clear?